I would get to know if it could be the kind of girl you could put down for.
Hi Wonder Pros, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony, and if you are new here, then welcome to my corner of the YouTube universe, and if you're old here, then hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a long haul. Some of these items were sent to me for review, other items I purchased with my own money, and other items were sponsored to me by friend and subscriber here on YouTube, Gloria L. So thank you so much for sending me these things. You're awesome. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump into it. But before you go grab your popcorn, be sure to thumbs up this type of video if you like it, and subscribe down below to my world so you don't miss any more videos from me. And yeah, now we can get started. And a disclaimer, I did not purchase all of this stuff at once. It has been over a long period of time, so I'm just gonna tell you guys everything that I got. Starting off with the Benefit Cosmetics Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I purchased this from Sephora, and brows have always eluded me, okay? My brows are pretty thick naturally and curly, so they are harder to tame. I do get them threaded. I used to get them waxed. I've tried a lot of different things, but this was a recommendation from Jackie Ina. It has a spool on one side and a actual brow fill-in thing on the other, and I'm actually wearing it today. I do really like it. This is in the color 4.5. It's an ashier undertone, and so far so good. I just put it back into the package for, you know, aesthetic reasons, but I did get this a few days ago and I do really like it so far. And all the links will be down below in the description box for you guys to check out if you are interested in these items as well. So the next thing I wanted to share is this candle. Now this one is completely used up, obviously, because I love the fragrance so much. It's called 24 Karat, and it is Romance the Scent. That's what it has on here, and I actually purchased this at Essence Fest. Because there's no website for you to actually get these candles off of, I got the business card of the owner and emailed her and was like, hey, can I buy some more because I really like this candle? And she ended up sending me 2 more. They have been sitting in the background of my desk for the longest, and they just smell so good. It just better than Bath and Body Works, okay, better than Yankee Candle. I have not smelled anything equivalent to these, and it's a black owned business. These are hand poured candles, and I am pacing myself because I do not want to use them all up. So I will leave her information down below as well, but I absolutely love this candle. It smells so good. Me and my friends kind of like went ham at Essence Fest. Next up, one of my more recent purchases was this Salon Graphics High Intense Spray On Hair Color in purple, and also some purple flexi rods. I got this from the beauty supply store and these from Sally's, and I know y'all didn't think I was gonna go the whole video without mentioning my hair. There is going to be a video coming soon, but this was like $4. I think this was like 10. I don't know. I had to look at the receipt, honestly, but I'll link everything below. But yeah, that's how I achieved this look. And again, a video is coming soon, but these are also on my list of recent purchases. I guess I was just trying to do something different. So yeah, temporary hair color was it. And I haven't done a flexi rod set literally since I was transitioning to natural. So that was 3 going on 4 years ago. So it's been a minute, okay? How do y'all like it? It's kind of smushed now. I think this is day 3, day 2, something like that. Also, more recently, these products that were sent to me was the Hothead heating cap and the Glow by Day heating cap. I did do an entire comparison and review on both of these heating caps, comparing and contrasting them. So if you want all of the details, I will link the video above in the corner, so check that out. But I do still use both of these like a lot, because y'all know my hair dryer broke and your girl was desperate for ways to efficiently deep condition. And speaking of deep conditioning, I also received this from Glow by Day. This was a while ago, but it's one of those attachment blow up hooded dryers that you put on your actual hair dryer that puffs up. I was not the biggest fan of these back in the day, but this has been tiding me over until I got a new hair dryer, and it has the snaps underneath your chin so it doesn't pop off, which was great, and this really got me through. So this is also something that Glow by Day offers, and it's been amazing so far. It's very cheap and affordable, so if you are like a college student on a budget and you can't afford an actual hooded dryer just yet, I do think that is a good alternative. But speaking of deep conditioning, y'all, your girl has been upgraded, okay? One of the 2 most recent larger hair purchases that I got were gifted to me by Gloria L. well. I got a hair steamer and a hooded dryer, like a Salon hooded dryer. I will leave pictures here of the hair steamer and of the hooded dryer, only because they're so big and bulky and I don't want to like try and roll that in here or like assemble the steamer together, but I will leave the links down below like always. But yeah, that is two of the main things that I've gotten recently, and that hair steamer, honey, has stepped up my deep conditioning game to a whole nother level. I haven't used a hair steamer prior to now in 2018, and I've been on my hair journey for like almost 3 years. And now that my hooded dryer has been upgraded, y'all, I think I might actually be able to get a wash and go situation down. I've been listening to a lot of Kimberly Sherrill videos and her advice on how to get a pop and wash and go. So yeah, that should improve my wash and go game. Next up is the Revlon paddle blow dryer brush. I have already done a review on this item. I do really like it. It cut my blow drying time down in half. Literally went down to an hour, hour 15 at most for my entire head. And y'all know I got a lot of hair. That's actually how I achieved this look. I started off on blow dried hair. So again, I'll link that video above in the eye, but I do really like this brush and I think it is super efficient. And now onto one of the brands that was sent to me. I did reach out to this company to review their products. It is called Strands of Faith, and they did send all of their products. I will be reviewing all of these soon in an entire wash day where I hopefully can hold on to all of the products. But I think the packaging is so cute and I love the theme behind the company and how it got started. So yeah, stay tuned for that because I'm really excited to try these out for you guys. Now a couple of products I invested in to see if I can step up my wash and go game. Again, taking Kimberly Sherrill's advice was the main choice. This is the Braid Out Glaze from the Tropical Merengue line. You guys have seen me use this already and it did flake on me, but I think it was because of the product combo that I have. I'll link that video above. And this is also the Crystal Orchid Gel. I actually ended up picking this one up in Walmart thinking that it was this one because they're similar and they're both blue, but they're definitely not the same thing. So yeah, got these as an investment for my wash and go series. I still have not given up. It's not the summertime. I still don't have a method down that works for me good, but I think my technique is improving, so we're on the right path. And you guys know typically the main choice is not one of the brands that takes to my hair very well, but those I don't believe have glycerin high up on the ingredients list. So yeah, we're gonna check those out and see. And of course, some old faithfuls. I had to re-up on my leave-in conditioner and the curl defining cream from Adwood Beauty. I did notice a slight packaging change. If you guys remember in my old video, the leave-in conditioner came with a pump only, but now I guess it comes with this pop top and you can switch it out accordingly if you would like. So I think that's awesome because they really do listen to their fan base. They really do listen to their customers and take their advice, which is awesome because y'all know this leave-in conditioner is super thick, okay? Next up are some oldies but goodies, the Kinky Curly Not Today and the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. Now the Kinky Curly Not Today I have tried before back when my hair was transitioning and it didn't take very well back then. Also when I was early in my hair journey and I just thought that it reacted okay, but I am going to revisit the brand. I do think that these might work better now for my hair in combination with the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. Now this I have not tried before, so we are going to pair them together and see if this oldie but goodie can give my wash and go a little bit of life, okay? Because I think clumpage is one thing that I need in my roots and this might help. I've been looking at other successful YouTubers wash and goes and this brand comes up a lot, especially for people with hair like mine. So I am gonna give these a try and see how it works out. And by recommendation of you guys, next up is the Camille Rose Curl Maker and their Moisture Milk. These also should hopefully step up my wash and go game, okay? And wait, there's more. The Algae Renew Deep Conditioner and their Aloe Whipped Butter Gel by Camille Rose as well. You guys have literally been recommending both of these to me for at least a year now, and I know Camille Rose is also an oldie but goodie. She has an entire new line now out, their lavender purple one, which I researched, and it has a lot of glycerin in the first 5 ingredients and almost all of the products in the entire line but her original line should be, again, an oldie but goodie, so we are going to try out all of these as well. And that is pretty much it. I know I'm probably missing some things because, like I said, this is over a long period of time that I've been getting stuff, so I probably am not mentioning absolutely everything, but that is the majority of it. So you guys know, you get a little sneak peek of what products I'm looking at next. But if you also want to keep up with what's going to come out before it actually hits the YT, you can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I usually drop stuff there first because it's just easier to snap and post and take a pic and post instead of doing an entire video here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out and it spreads the word, so it lets YouTube know, hey, share this video because it's helpful and people like it. Comment down below which video you would like to see next, referring to any of the products that I showed you guys in this video. Don't forget to check out any of my other social media platforms over here so you can keep up with me, and check out all of my previous uploads over here. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an Afro puff, and subscribe down below to my world so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one.